Every developer is asked this question. How long do you think it will take? Few years ago, I thought I knew the answer to this. But then, after working 2 weeks, late nights, I realized my estimation game was rubbish. But since then, I find a way how to improve my estimation game, and hopefully this video will help you to do the same. Hi, my name is Petr Zaparka. Let's talk about estimations and how to improve them. As a developer, it doesn't matter what technology you will use, but you still need to understand how to estimate your tasks. For small things like bug fixes and improvements, it's easy to do so. Sometimes you even need to estimate work with a fixed deadline. How are you going to do it? Few years ago, I was working on a project with tight deadline. We estimated the time to deliver 3 months. We also added some extra time just in case something happened, so we meet the final deadline. First month was great, but the second month we started to slow down. There were bugs that we didn't expect. Our customer was delivering assets not in the quality that we expected to, and there were other things like someone was ill or got injured. All these things slow down the project. When the third month started, we knew for sure we're going to be late. So we did what everyone does. We add more people to the team and started to work late hours. Luckily, we met the deadline, but it was not the best experience ever. After the release, we went for dinner and a few drinks. I look around and everyone was tired. This is not how it should be. Everyone should be happy that we deliver a good product. So that's when I realized that our estimation was not working. Since then, I've been working on improving my estimation game, and hopefully this will help you. My approach has 3 stages. Step 1. Estimate how long do you think the task will take. How long the code will take, how long the QA will take, and all these things together. Step 2. Add time for known unknowns. These are the things like someone got injured, or needs to go on holiday, or the server's not working, things like these. Step 3 is unknown unknowns. These are the things you don't expect to happen. Things like internet is not working for the whole building, or your database was wiped out. Real life example. I'm estimating project. This project is going to happen in 6 or 7 months from now. I estimate the time 3 weeks for the code delivery and QA. Then I add an extra week for assets and third-party delays. Then I add 1 extra week just in case something else happened that I don't expect. So my final estimation is 5 weeks. 6 months later, we still don't have the assets. Third party promising to deliver on time, but the deadline is approaching. We look at our estimation number and realize that we can't deliver on time if the assets are late. So we move the deadline by about a month. 1 month later, we still didn't have 100% of assets, but we could start the work. We started the work, and then our QA team was replaced by a new one. This is the unknown unknown that no one knew about. So the time it took to test our functionality by a new QA team was much longer than expected. Luckily, that 1 week that I add was enough for the QA to catch up and start testing faster. Right before the deadline, we were ready to go. There were a few bugs we discovered during the release, but they were acceptable. As you can see, nothing is perfect. There'll always be something that affects your delivery. But it's okay. That's why we add the extra time to do stuff. The one thing that everyone needs to understand is that nothing is perfect, and you can't promise deadline on a long-term project. As far everyone understands this, you will be okay. I hope it was useful what I shared today, and if you have different way how you approach your estimation, please let me know down in the comments, and the next video will be right here.